Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy tickets on Eventbrite. So, let's get started. First, go to eventbrite.com or open the Eventbrite app. Choose your region, then browse events near you. Once you find an event, click Get Tickets. Select your ticket type, enter a promo code if you have one, then tap Checkout. Choose your payment method, credit or debit card, PayPal, or Google Pay. After payment, your e-ticket will be emailed to you and saved in your Eventbrite account. To view your ticket later, go to your profile and click on Tickets. And that's it. That's how to buy tickets on Eventbrite in just a few steps. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.